And when you walk yourself inside my crosshairs, I'm going to hug the trigger. And I'm going to drop you. You can't withhold this from me. When you have that, unstoppable. Unstoppable. And then when you have the model in your hand and you know exactly how you're going to perform with it, you have no idea. You have no idea the potential you have then. Every goal that you ever set, smashed. Every goal that you ever imagined within your reach, smashed. And you're going to look around and say, man, I did not have high enough goals. This was too easy. This was too easy. But while you're going through it, it seems impossible. They're not doing it. So why are you taking other people's advice that aren't doing shit? If they're not doing better than you, they don't have any opinion on how to make you better. Cut it out. You want to be self-sufficient. You want to be able to make this money on your own. You don't want to listen to me. You don't want to listen to anybody else. You don't even want to be on social media. Fuck these people. You don't want to give a shit about what they say about you. You don't care. You don't give a shit if they see what house you live in. You don't give a shit what kind of car you drive, how much money you got in the fucking bank. You don't care about none of that because you're living your life. You're taking care of your family. If it fucking offends you, I don't give a shit. Move on down the fucking road because this is where the rubber meets the road, folks. No one's going to protect you. I can't protect you. You're going to fuck it up if you fuck it up and you did it in your own hands. But if you do the due diligence and say, I'm cutting all the bullshit out today. I'm cutting it all out. I got no excuses now. He said it. I got no excuses. It's there. It's in the charts every single day, every single week. This is the hardest, easy money you've ever made. And the only thing that complicates it is the person you see in the mirror. How long are you going to let that person in the reflection of that mirror hold you back? You think you look like that person in the reflection of that mirror. You don't. You don't. It's backwards. And it's not shocking when you think about how we think ass backwards. We think about things backwards because we don't think we deserve it. Bullshit. You deserve it. The fact that you're still listening to me, bloviate. You know you want it. You can fucking taste it. It's ready. It's within grasp. You know it's there. You just gotta keep digging. It's gonna happen for you. I have dozens other ones that I'm begging for them to come forward. New step. New string in their step. Why? Because they don't need ICT no more. And guess what, baby? Woo! That's exactly what you do when you graduate. Fuck you, ICT. Thanks, brother. See ya. That's exactly how I want you to do. I don't want you tethered to me. I don't want you constantly tethered to me. I want you to say, thank you so much, but I ain't got time to be messing with you no more. I got things to do. Places to be. Boom. That's exactly how you leave the nest. That's it. We're done.
Yo! Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday, everybody. Oh, hold on. Let's protect these eyeballs, shall we? Yeah. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Happy Friday, TGIF, or whatever they say these days, whatever the cool kids are saying. Say what's up in the chat. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I don't bite. Hit the like button, boys and girls. Hit the like button. And good morning, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Friday. We got 10 seconds here till market open. What's up, Goslin? What's up, Devin? What's going on, guys? Good morning. Right Nash, Bill Smoke, Raw Bean. Raw Bean says, hi, Miss Tanya. Raw Bean, I think you're in the wrong chat. You might have both of us pulled up tab side by side, but you said it in the wrong chat. Tell Tanya I said hi though, I guess. What's up, Gordon? What's up, Jorno? Good morning, Yash, Wolf Dubai, Robin. Same glass. Oh, I see. Langston says, hi, Riley Reed. That's crazy. What's up, Malik? What's up, Nico? Trades by AZ. Good morning, man. I appreciated the shout out on X this morning. I saw that this morning. Appreciate it. What's up, Langston? Lorenzo, Taken. Well, you guys don't like the orange? You guys want to go back to the clear? Is that? I know you guys are afraid of change. You know. I know how you guys are. You guys are all stuck in your ways. That's the thing about you guys. A lot of you guys in the chat, you like to act like you're, young and hip, but the reality is a lot of you guys are boomers. A lot of you guys are boomers at heart. A lot of you guys are afraid of change. And it's just something some of you guys got to work on. You know what I mean? Yeah, I should get some pit vipers for stream. That'd be kind of cool. That actually would be not bad. Then the only thing I'd be missing is a diesel truck and like a can of chew in my pocket, right? I'm glad to hear that, AZ. That is the goal. That is the goal. I appreciate it. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's dive into these charts, right? Market just opened up a couple minutes ago. Jump out here quickly to the daily. It was kind of interesting here, to be honest. We had taken out previous day low, and we were kind of starting to displace to the downside. Let me turn this off. We were kind of starting to displace to the downside here, but we are ending up now holding this 4-hour fair value gap. It was kind of almost looking like we were going to potentially get a previous day high to previous day low type of a move here. At least that's what it looked like when I first checked charts this morning. I seen this hourly expanding down, and now obviously we're ripping right back up. So I think that idea for now is null and void, boys and girls. Let me delete that. Otherwise, yeah, man. What a kind of a crazy move here. This is all the way back above London high. That's something else. Did anybody just YOLO market open longs off of this 15-minute inversion? 15-minute inversion here. It's just like, boom, enter off the open. No drawdown, straight up. No drawdown to the high. 75 points as fast as you can say, what the fuck is going on here? Classic, classic, classic. Yeah, let me know your guys' opinions today. Let me see here. Let me see. Yeah, I really just mark out these draws to the left now. Or I mean, we're close proximity finally. Some of these levels. 830, 880, 26,000 could maybe be in play. Absolutely, absolutely. Dang. But yeah, we just took out London high. We'll see what we want to do. We got 4 minutes into the open currently, and we also have 10 a.m. news, boys and girls. Don't forget that. 10 a.m. news, prelim consumer sentiment, PCE price index. So, might have to be patient here, but my goodness. So what? Our first presented fair value gap is right here. Nice, nice, nice. But anyway, looking at the poll in the chat, what are we at? 140 votes. What are you guys scared? What are you guys afraid to vote? We got 70. Holy shit, 74% bullish. Oh God. Yeah, we're pretty tilted today, aren't we, chat? Jeez. A nice pair of jeans as well. I'm actually wearing sweats. Gustavo, thanks for the super chat. What is a pen? You sent me 2 pen. What is pen? Anybody know what that currency is? Appreciate the super chat nonetheless. He goes 300K Apex evals, full port on PCE past them. Good luck. Best of luck, man. Best of luck, Gustavo. Sounds like a dream. Wait, what did I say? What did I say, Tyler? Remind me. I already forgot. 60 cents USD. Hey, nobody hate on the 60 cents. That's more than all you sent today. Hey. That's more than all you guys sent today. Yeah. You guys want to listen, if you guys want to meet the stingiest people you'll ever know. Put yourself in front of a bunch of day traders, am I right? Oh! They're stingy until it comes time to buying designer and watches. Sell me this pen. Philippine pesos. I feel like you're fucking with me. Philippine pesos? That ain't right. Peru. The Peruvian Nuevo Sol. The Peruvian puff pepper. Anybody got that reference? Any 90s kids in the chat might get that reference. The Peruvian puff pepper. If you're a boomer LARPing as a Gen Zer, then you might not get it. You might not get that one. Yeah, I was gonna say not iCarly. You were close. Oh, you were close with the iCarly guess. It was actually Drake and Josh. Drake and Josh. Hang on, boys. Give me 1 sec. Your boy just spilled his coffee. Let me go grab a little paper towel action. Sorry, guys. This is awkward. It's kind of like when you have, when your girl's laying in bed and you're just like, hang on, let me go get you a towel. Don't move. What'd I miss? All right, we're back, boys. Always make such a mess, you know what I mean? Jeez. Oh. Someone sent me 11 try, Oscar. Appreciate it, Oscar. Oscar, you didn't even put anything in the super chat. I'm pretty sure Streamlabs, I'm pretty sure I have it set up to TTS after like $2. I'm not trying to get you guys a super chat, I'm just saying. Buy myself some, yeah, I'll try not to spend it all in one place. Do appreciate it though. Do appreciate it. 93 here, I have no idea what you mean. Paris, you ain't 93. I never did a little stock sesh on old Paris. Paris trying to tell me he's 93. What a capper. Yeah, Paris is one of the OGs. I don't know, maybe not OG in the chat, but he's in the chat a lot. And he usually's got some well, every once in a while he gets some people start fighting with him in the chat, but 1993. Oh, okay. I got you. Oh, retain. Listen, didn't know you were above 30 cents. You're the oldest one here. Paris, I don't think you are. Is there anybody in the chat that's older than birth year of 1993? I feel like we got some people. Listen, hey, nothing wrong. Hey, listen, if you're a little bit older, listen, age is just a number. You're actually wiser. How about that, boys and girls? Don't let these. Hey, listen, come in close. Come in close. Come in close. Don't let these fucking entitled little Gen Zers come in here and make you think they're better than you because they call you Unk, okay? Listen to me. It doesn't matter if you're balding. It doesn't matter if you got some, you know what I mean, some wrinkles. It doesn't matter. Maybe things aren't as perky as they once were. Gravity, you know what I'm saying? Gravity's a hell of a phenomenon. You know what I mean? Don't fucking let him get to you, okay? Don't let him get to you. Besides, if it makes any of you feel better that are boomers in the chat, you guys have completely fucked up this world. For the millennials and the Gen Zers anyway. I mean, gosh, imagine if you were a Gen Zer trying to buy a house. And you guys are like, hey, you want to buy my house that I built for $8 in a corn dog for $500,000? Oh, you don't want to? Too bad. Because you're gonna. So, I mean, it's like, you know what I mean? You give and you get. You give and you get. Anyway, well, let's hang on real quick. Sorry, I didn't mean to glaze over this real quick. Let's see who the wisest in the chat is. We got 1982, 87, 87, 66. 0001 says 66, but I don't know if that might be cap. I see 80. Oh wait, that's okay. 1896, 1947. All right. All right. Next thing you know, someone's in the chat. It's gonna be like, I'm a Holocaust survivor. Unreal. See, that's the problem with you guys. You play too much. That's your problem. You play too much. All right, well, what do we want to do here? Let's go full screen NASDAQ. Full screen NASDAQ. There is no SMTs that I'm seeing here. Nothing on the 15, nothing on the hourly. We have buy side ES 900, so we're 20 points away. We have buy side NQ 830. We obviously have taken out London high. Pretty nice reversal here off of the highs. Inversing first presented fair value gap, obviously. Question is rebalance to continuate. Rebalance for continuation higher or full-blown reversal is the question. Remember, most of the chat bullish today, over 70% still. Little sus, right? Little sus. Yeah. More sus than a sus block, some are saying. Speaking of sus blocks. Ooh, sus block right at 50%? Coincidence? I think not. 2022. Oh, I can't teach you those, Success Labs. Cannot teach you those. Yeah, news at 10. We got, what time is it? 45. So new 15-minute candle just opened up. We've retraced this move after taking London high down to 50%, 5-minute gap tap here and BPR, 930 opening price. Revisited. We'll see what we want to do. But news in 15, boys. So, like I said at the beginning of stream, probably stay impatient for the most part until news. Probably stay impatient. You know what sucks is just like thinking about obviously good day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday no trade. Yesterday finally took 2 L's on stream and yeah, the only thing that was a little bit frustrating about it was like just in hindsight, we talked about it yesterday. In hindsight, it was just like pretty avoidable, I would say. Pretty avoidable. Just a sheer lack of patience. A little unfortunate, but it is what it is. Oscar's in short. Ugh. Oscar saw this 4-hour candle flip and this 1-hour Shrek candle and said, yeah, let me sell that. I'm not kidding. Oscar, I'm just joking. Don't take it personally, Oscar. We love you. T Money, what's up, dude? Oh boy. T Money, everybody in the chat's bullish. Over 70% of the chat bullish today. Could be a little suspicious. You're in swing longs? Hang on, let me see. How long have you been in the swing longs? And then after you tell me that, let me try to figure out where you entered from. I don't know if, well, are you in NASDAQ longs? I guess I should ask. Maybe you're in gold or something. Oops. If you tell me what time, well, not the exact time you entered, but was it last night? Was it this morning? Give me like a vague time horizon. Let me see if I can't guess it. What is gold doing, by the way? Still kind of continuing off this daily. Daily time frame. Oh, 2 days ago. Oh, fuck. 2 days ago. Are you swinging on a live account or is this like a CFD firm? Tyler, since you're in the chat, I'll actually ask. Somebody had messaged me and asked about you. I don't know if they thought I was you or not. But basically they were just like, how are you? I think they're talking about, because you did a segment on Chart Fanatics where you were talking about your higher time frame strategy with gold and like the 4-hour and the daily. More of like swing trading, FTMO. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. But anyway, somebody had asked, and they're just like, how is someone using a higher time frame swing strategy on futures prop firms when you can't hold trades overnight? And I just said, I'm like, well, I would assume it's for not futures firms, was my assumption. But now that you're here, I figured I could just ask for confirmation. Because yeah, you can't be holding swing trades on futures funded accounts unless you're into the live environment. I don't know how it is with CFDs though. I don't know if CFDs you can hold overnight. I don't remember. Use the 4-hour and daily for buys. Yep. Then intraday swing for Globex Open to 5 p.m. Oh, okay. So you're just doing an intraday swing, really, right? Like you won't enter like the trade, but you said you were in a trade from 2 days ago. CFD you can hold overnight and weekend. Oh, okay. So you are holding from 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Oops. 2 days ago. Tyler, look at these freaking daily wicks, bro. Jeez. Daily OB tap here on, what day was this, Wednesday? Thursday? Yeah, let me just say, Tyler, let me guess your entry was off the daily OB. No? Maybe? Daily inversion. Wait. Oh. Well, kind of. Close enough. Pretty much the same price. Yeah, literally basically the exact same price. Yeah, I see the BPR. Me likey, me likey. SMTing these highs with ES currently, boys and girls. See what we want to do. News in 9 minutes. Waiting for that, boys. Waiting for that. Hedge your bets. Hedge your bets. Who's taking the buy side money line entry? Who's taking the sell side money line entry? Let's get these parlays going. Over under buy side sell side in 15 minutes. Who's got the over? Who's got the under on what? Who's taking the buy side money line? Who's taking the sell side money line? Who's taking the NQ anytime stop raid? Who's taking the NQ anytime turtle soup? Anthony's in longs. Y'all just riding it out. Yeah, so we got buy side, like I said, NQ 830. I wonder if news is going to come out. We're just going to see a spike all the way up. Look at this 50% tap. It's just like, when it works, it's just picture perfect like that. Humana. Nika says been in long since pre-market. Nika, hang on, Nika. Listen, I might be retarded, but I'm not stupid. I could have swore. Oh, you flipped it. You dirty son of a bitch. She went short. Holy shit. Fucking dinner on Nika tonight, I guess. Nika's ping-ponging this shit. Both directions. I'll be a son of a bitch. Somebody fucking send me a signal. Yeah, why is everybody wait for their trade to be like almost to take profit, and then they finally send a screenshot? Fake friends. She's a mom now, guys. She's a mom now. She's got it. You know what I mean? She's just making it happen. Making it fucking happen, boys. All right, boys, we got news in 5. News in 5. Oops. Yeah, we're just trekking higher. She can't keep getting away with this. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That is what they're saying. Today, you're looking for a TGIF in the PM session. All right. Only $10 away from passing the account. Oof. Alice, sounds like it could be trouble, but sounds like it could be fun. You're $10 from passing the account. Let's see. You either need... Hang on. You either need like 3 ticks on 1 mini, or you need... Well, like 5 points on 1 micro? Wait, no, that's not right either. Why did math become hard all of a sudden? Let's see, 1.20, $1.2. You need $10. Yeah. No, I was right. Yeah, we say you need like 6 points. 7 points maybe. 6, 7. You need like 6, 7 points. Would I short this inversion that's developing? No. I mean, I wouldn't, but that doesn't mean you can't. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm good. I'm good. We got news in like 3 minutes. I told you guys at the beginning of stream I'm waiting for news. So we've just been chilling. How's your RTX 67? I think if I had an RTX 67, it'd be working a lot better. Yeah, don't be surprised if in the next 2 weeks I'm back to Mac. But seriously, does anybody want to buy this from me? Let me know. We'll do like a little... I wonder if I could do like a little auction. That'd be cool. Like a little auction in the... maybe not in the Discord. I don't know. Only pussies use Mac, says Chucky. Well, yeah, Chucky. I got a basically a light up pride flag on my desk right now. So who's the real pussy? Ooh, pretty colors. Do a giveaway for it. Listen, I like to be charitable, but not that charitable. Not yet, at least. It'd be cool. It'd be cool to do some bigger giveaways like that down the road. Computer setups, trading setups. We got to hit some big milestones though for something like that. We got some bigger milestones. We are coming up on 20K subs on YouTube, so that's exciting. Appreciate you, boys and girls. Hit the like button if you haven't already. Don't be shy. You might like the way it feels. News in 30 seconds, guys. News in 30. You know what? All this giveaway talk in the chat. All right, next giveaway idea. I'm going to hire a lawyer. I'm going to write up a will. Winner of the giveaway gets 100% of all of my shit. How's that? What's funny is I could do that and you guys still would have hit the like button. I'm gonna give my dog away on the next giveaway. All All right, here we go, guys. Not really very explosive here at this news release. Stopping just short of 830 on NQ. Previous hourly high taken. Marking out this range now. I want to see if we could dig down into here. 5-minute FEG. And then look to play something like this. So, see if we can find something in here. But I do like higher here. I mean, we're so close to these buy side levels. Previous hourly candle closed very strong, above old highs. I mean, it looks good for continuation higher. Gordon says sell. I don't think so. I wouldn't do that, but you guys do what you want. PA reeks. I actually wouldn't say that. I would actually say price action's good, but I mean today was just like right at. Well, I guess if you're just waiting for news, right? Like, usually when there's 10 a.m. news, I like to wait for it. If there's 10 a.m. red folder news. If it's orange folder, I don't hold it in such high regard. But if it's red folder news, I like to wait. I mean, I usually like to wait for the first 15 minutes of open anyway. You know, even this 50% retracement, 930 opening price retest. This was 941. You know, and people will say, we'll see stuff like this and they'll be like, well, Tyler, why don't you trade in the first 15 minutes of market open? Look at the move you missed. And it's just like, you're cherry picking is what you're doing. For every number of times I could catch a trade, like a perfect trade in that first 15 minutes of open, there's probably 10 days where I'd get absolutely shit on. So I just prefer not to trade it. Split and show ES. I mean, I always get a little confused when people in the chat are like, show this, show that. It's just like, can you not see that on your own chart? I have ES and NQ pulled up and out. I have 15-minute and 1 hour charts up here on my other monitor. Looking at everything. It just gets a little bit clunky, cluttery looking on stream with showing two charts like this. There's only so much screen real estate, boys. I sent a PDF ebook in the Discord and I get banned. What was the PDF ebook? Sack Pazitas. You passed, Alice. Congrats, Alice. Great feeling, ain't it? There you go. Trading related, man. I know, but what was it? I'll tell you the type of stuff I ban in the Discord when I see it. Couple things, obviously impersonators, people trying to impersonate me and other like trading influencers. I ban like people, like you'll get these scammers that are like, they post like a picture of like an old MacBook laptop and they're posting it in there and it's just like a weird scammy message and they spam it in all the channels. I ban those. And anybody that seems to promote, really essentially anybody that comes in and they're like self-promoting, I'm just like, bitch, if you want to promote yourself, do what the rest of us had to do and fucking go build your audience yourself. Other than that, though, that's about it. Imagine if I went into someone else's Discord and I'm like, guys, oh my God, yes, I just started my fucking YouTube channel. Please follow me. Look at this fucking beautiful trade. Leeches. Get the fuck out of here. Success Labs just lost 5 XFAs. Oh, God. But 830 buy side has been hit. 900 buy side on ES has been hit as well. I still like higher, to be honest. I do still like higher. We did not get a 50% rebalance from here to here, so just extending that to this new high. We'll see if we want to rebalance now, but I do still like higher here. I don't think I want to fade this. I mean, just look at the hourly momentum you'd be trying to fade here. I don't want to do that. Didn't do it instantly. Bam. Oh, yeah. I'm not sure. I do have a couple people with I don't call them mods, but I guess they kind of have mod capabilities. So maybe someone else removed you. I mean, I don't delete like just random, like if people post resources that they think are useful, I don't ban them for that. I do want the point of the Discord community is obviously to have a community, one, to kind of have a place to house everything, right? But then also, yeah, help, you know, people can chat amongst themselves and, you know, talk about trades that they're taking, things that they're seeing in the market, whatever. Yeah, dude, Nightbot is a little freaky lately. I don't know what happened. Nightbot got a little bit on the wild side. Yeah, anybody that went long at all really this morning is pretty much printing free money, though. Come on, man. How are we red on Bitcoin and crypto and everything's fucking pumping right now? What are we at here? Nvidia's down. Nvidia's about break even. They're coming back. Okay, they're almost back to these opening prices. Google up 1.3%. away we go. Well, patience for me. I'm not going to chase this up here, obviously. First 15-minute candle of this hour will close in 4 minutes. All right, grind up it is. All righty. Is the market too bullish for you to look for a counter trend trade short? Yeah, it just seems like an unnecessary risk to take. It's like, yeah, I'd rather just wait for a manipulation lower to go from internal to external. But like, this was a decent opportunity. I mean, you just would have been trading like right at the news open, right? 10 a.m. opens up. We initially take out previous hourly high. We trade back down. We take out this low, right back up. Perhaps this could have been viable. I was kind of just trying to hope for a little bit more of a rebalance first, I guess. So perhaps I was a little too picky with that. But looking here, right, like we rebalanced perfectly to 50%. So to me, this range is rebalanced. You know what I mean? This range is rebalanced. Therefore, once this low put in this new high, this should become our new protected low for bullish. So therefore, I was now looking at this range here, looking for another retracement down into here. This is also a 5-minute. Did we end up tap it? We did tap it, yeah. So we tapped this 5-minute here, and it just kind of lined up just a little too finicky with time. So therefore, I did not look to participate long here. Obviously, it's working out just fine, but that was my thought process. And now, yeah, we got, just because this didn't rebalance, now it's just, you just keep extending this to wherever this high ends up forming. You just kind of keep, wherever it eventually puts it in, but you keep trailing this up and then wait for, you know, if you're going to trade an internal to external play, like this is what you'd wait for. So yeah, I personally don't want to fade this. This is, to me, not something that would make a whole lot of sense. It'd be risky. You could do it, but, you know, obviously a retracement would give you a nice move, I guess, in like terms of, you know, ticks. But, you know, it could be just one of those buy forever days too, where it just kind of like barely retraces and then we just see new highs and we just grind new highs for hours. It did not hit it on MNQ. Are you serious? So a 5-minute gap in question is right here. MNQ did not touch it. Oh, no shit. No shit, huh? Boys, you guys want to... Oh, dude. Did you guys see my post yesterday in the afternoon? I tried redemption in the afternoon, boys and girls. Did you guys see how much I got left behind by? Oh, yesterday in the afternoon was disgusting, by the way. Or, I mean, just really yesterday's price action was disgusting looking at it as a whole. Bro. This trade yesterday... That, like, this is when I knew, like, yesterday just was not going to be it for me. I just knew this was not going to be it. First of all, this was the price action yesterday, by the way, boys and girls. Just overall, look at this 15-minute chart. Scaling in here, bang. 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute. This was how I marked this out. So because here to here, first of all, I was going to long this 50% level. Didn't get picked up. No big deal. We trade all the way up. Leave these beautiful, smooth, relative equal highs. And because we did not rebalance here, I just like, whatever. All right, I'll just extend it. So I extended it to here. Buy limit. I put right on this 50%. Lined up with this OB. Stop loss was right below this low here. And it was targeting just this. Got left behind on my limit order. The low of this candle, 551, and my limit was 550. So literally 1 point. And at that point, I knew yesterday was meant for me to be a red day. That was when I knew. Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got here. You trade moon cycles, blue 60? Yeah, the moon cycles are good too. Everyday orb M5 will be retested and an IFEG will appear. After the test of one side or its 50% range, use the 2000 tick time frame. Or market entry first, IFEG, TP at next liquidity, win rate 80+%. Oopsies, that sounds like you're making guarantees in financial advice. And I'm going to sue you for that. Why did you not take longs at the fin levels, bro? Did you mean the fib levels? Ironside Gaming, if you were here, you would know why. What's going on with the algo? What do you mean? Everything looks like it's working fine. Like, price action overall is, I would say, fucking good today. How did I check the candle high? Oh, if you hold your cursor over or underneath any candle and then you just hold down, like you click and hold. Click and hold over any candle and it'll give you the values of the candle. What is this type of trading called? What do you mean? I'm an ICT concepts trader, price action trader. But yeah, part of that is I don't long in premium and I don't short in discount. Or at least I try not to do that. And a lot of the things that I do is based on elements of time. Whenever there's red folder news at 10 a.m., I'm almost always waiting for it. And on any given day, whether there's red folder news at 10 or not, I don't usually look to put a trade on before like at least like the first 15 minutes. And it just is what it is. Everybody gets all bent out of shape though when they see a big move like this, and they're just like, the problem is all you guys are sitting here and you're just like, it's Friday, it's your last day of the week to trade. Everybody gets fucking huge FOMO when they see a big move like this and they're not a part of it. And you guys get all angry, you get all upset, and you go, oh, well, this other style says I can. This is what you guys do. You guys try to justify in your own head as to why you should tweak something else that's already been working for you. And you go, oh, well, I don't want to miss moves like this in the future. And I got to be able to catch every fucking move that happens because I'm a fucking retard. And therefore, I'm going to tweak what I do and try to catch every little thing. And I'm going to get all mad when I miss. It's just, bro, sometimes your trades are not going to give you the option. You're not going to have the ability to enter every move. And some of you just need to fucking be okay with that. You know what I mean? Some of you just need to be okay with not catching every single move. You know what I mean? Here's one thing that I do know. If you missed this move today, with almost 100% certainty, I can tell you, if you're going to be trading for a while, God forbid, this will be one of probably hundreds, if not thousands, of trades that you'll miss in the future as well. So buckle up, pal. You're in for the long haul. It ain't the first, and it won't be the last. You hear me? And what are you prepared to do about it? Yeah, it would just kill some of you guys to go, like, it would just kill some of you guys to go into the weekend flat. Especially after you refresh Twitter and you see that everybody else caught this a beautiful move. And they're calling you a donut because you missed out on a move. AKA they're successfully rage baiting you. Congratulations, you are the method. Don't you feel smart? Then you buy the course, yeah. Then you buy the course. So anyway, yeah, we're just waiting now. Staying patient. You know, waited for news, and as a result of waiting for the news, I mean, market's obviously done what the market has done, and now it's just a matter of, you know, if something sets up, we'll play it. If not, just staying patient, not going to long this up here. I don't want to short it though. Personally, that's just I just don't want to fade this. I don't want to fade this. I want to be a bull. You know, especially if we leave this buy side. I mean, I would say, you know, again, kind of using an element of time here, I can be open to flipping to bearish only if though, like, these targets get taken out and we have a lot of logic and reasoning to do so. For example, we got buy side here, 880, right? So ideally, for kind of an internal to external range play here, would be ideal to leave that. Right, leave this alone and retrace, and we try to target recent highs and buy side. Now, let's just say hypothetically, we don't get that. We don't get any sort of like correction, retracement here. 1030 is incoming. Maybe we see something around 1030 potentially, but also, you know, if we got to the end of this hour, new hour were to open up, and then we were to, you know, I don't know, spike up, take out the liquidity, shift structure with displacement down, and then it's like bang, maybe you play something like this, right? Because then we'd have hourly FEG left here as well. At that point, this would make a lot more sense, right? Like, it doesn't make as much sense to try to fade this in this current hour. Oh, that was terrible. Like, it's just not worth the risk to me. Maybe it is to some of you. But all I know is if we were to get retracement in this hour, fine. We've left buy side. Rebalance, bang, we'll play something in here. Got so many fucking drawings in here. Just kidding. Yeah, but I didn't draw the head, so I didn't complete it. It didn't happen. It did not happen. Yeah, you made it up in your mind. All of you guys got your mind in the gutter. That's what happened. All of you guys got your mind in the gutter. You saw what you wanted to see. You saw what you wanted to see. What does that say about you? Y'all are some sick sons of bitches. I really do feel like something happened though, like a price cut or something, because it usually do not do this on Fridays. It usually trend up Thursdays. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit, you know what's crazy? It is crazy how choppy yesterday was. We were talking about, just from the higher time frame perspective, like what we would want to expect this week. Someone was asking yesterday, do I expect all-time highs again in 2025? Or just in December? And we know we're looking at just this weekly chart, and obviously we had a very strong bullish close on the previous week, above previous weekly high. We had kind of retraced down, retested this previous weekly high, and now we see price expanding. So I basically was like, I do think that it seems likely that we could see all-time highs yet in December, especially on ES. Like, ES is a lot closer. We're like 1% maybe off the all-time high now on ES. But yeah, saving the expansion, like, let's see. Let's look at like just this week. So here is our current week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And from the looks, obviously Friday's still, like, we're still early in Friday. We could see a lot more expansion yet. But like just looking at kind of the average range here, Monday, sorry, 278 points. Tuesday, 345. Wednesday, 260. $243 on Thursday. Like, yesterday was the tightest range of the week. And so far today we're up almost 300 points. And yeah, if we expand to like maybe even towards that 26,000 whole number, like, we're going to be putting in the biggest range today. The current, what was our biggest day here? Was it Monday? But yeah, just like looking at the week here, you know, kind of sideways, right? Wouldn't you say? I mean, I would say so. Just looking at this hourly price. Every time the chart noodle flirks, the algo wisp derpifies the macro glumble. Well said. The pre-market snarbulator overflinks the candle grib unless the womp spread kergibbles first. Yeah, that's true. Good point. Tyler, why aren't you placing trades? I'm scared, dude. This market is a little scary, dude. Red day yesterday. I don't want to have I don't want to have 2 red days. Hang on. Hang on. There's an easier way to do this. Tyler, why aren't you placing trades? Tyler, why you not place no trades, Tyler? Tyler, why you not place no trades? I need a bar. Dude, that's what I should get. I should get a little barcode scanner prop. Tyler, why you not place trades, Tyler? That's true, stock operator. Yeah, could have shorted, then long, then short, and then long again. That is so true. Gosh. I'm doing well, Callie. How are you doing? Yeah, why doesn't YouTube do that? YouTube should add GIFs into the chat. Maybe that's why. Maybe we should start. Should we just do like a... Maybe we just need to start streaming in the Discord instead of YouTube. What do you guys think of that? Also, have you guys noticed less of a delay in the last 2 days? It should be like 2 or 3 seconds now. No, my internet's not faster. I just turned the I turned my video resolution down to just 1080p, and then obviously went to ultra low latency. I was streaming at 1440p basically this whole time, which you can't use ultra low latency when you do that, but it looks a little bit crisper on the screen, but also kind of depends what you're watching on. Benji says, "Don't be an emotional bitch. Be a sniper." Yeah. That's what we're trying to be here, right? I think Benji's talking to some of the people. Well, I hope he's not talking to me. I don't think he's talking to me. Yeah, guys, quit being emotional bitches. So what? You missed a move. Well, you gonna cry about it? You can go cry to your mom. Oh, Mom. I was waiting for the 50% retracement. It never came back. I missed my buy-side target. I could have passed my evaluation today, but I was waiting for the 50% in the news. Didn't come back and fill my limit order. Wow. Can we go to McDonald's? I don't care that we have food at home. You said that last time. Oh, please. I just want... Can you at least buy me some V-Bucks? Okay. No, don't tell Dad. Don't. I'll stop. This house is a fucking prison. I'm gonna run away. You're never gonna see me again. Oh. Anyway, yeah, that's how some of you guys sound as you get left behind on trades. Oh my gosh. Lone Wolf says, first time here, what I come into? Oh, Lone Wolf. Stick around. It's about to get good.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
You know what I mean? That's actually kind of how it feels like when I explain my reasonings for why I do or don't do something. And then like 2 minutes later, someone in the chat's like, Tyler, why don't you do this? Tyler, look at the 5 minute. Hell yeah. I'd love to. Sick. You guys think... You think if I scan this, I could get like it'll just like bring me up like a free funded account? Or no? If I just go to self-checkout, scan that, what are the odds that I get a free Select account? Also, by the way, boys and girls, last day for the Select promotion, 40% off. Listen, guys, price is going up. Price is going up after today at midnight. Also, hey, hang on. So Wednesday was the drop. Thursday, so day 3. Today would be day 3 if anybody traded on their Select evaluation on Wednesday. Is anybody in the chat on the brink of passing / and or already passed a Select evaluation? Just out of curiosity. Anybody in the chat? Anybody in the chat? Anybody in the chat? Anybody in the chat? $400 left times 5 XFAs. Call it for me, Tyler. Full port next play or drop risk. Call it for you? You want me to call it for you? Yeah, let's say. What are you saying? Call the trade, or are you saying just full port, or are you just saying blanket statement, drop risk or full port? He's got $400 left on the XFAs. Well, here's the way I see it. End of the year is coming in hot. If you end up spending more money on funded accounts, Miles, before the end of the year, you can write them off sooner. Let's face it. What's the difference between blowing up in December or January? Stay with me now. That $400 that you have left, let's also face it, it's not going to change your life. But what you do with it could maybe, just maybe, alter your family tree for generations. And I can tell you this. That reality, my friend, will cease to exist if and only if you drop the risk. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to play not to lose? Or are you going to play to win? The choice is yours. I suspect you'll make the right decision. All right, Toasted Film says, go get yourself a Silverado. You want to be a man? Get yourself a Chevy Silverado, where you can go riding down some back old country roads with your cousin and nobody has to know. Have yourself a merry little Christmas and go dashing through the snow. Chevy, be a man. Is Taylor Jewish? I don't know who Taylor is. I am not Jewish. Unless the Mossad is watching, in which case... All right, boys. 15-minute candle about to close. And we are retracing. I do still like me a fat little long internal to external rotation here. Let's see what we want to do. Let's see what we want to do. Have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Yeah, I see the SMT. I do see the SMT at the high. From now on, your troubles will be... your troubles will fucking never end because you are a day trader. All right, everybody relax. Been waiting on my moment. Waiting on my moment. 2 Chainz. Oh, dude, y'all remember that song? Jackie misses me? Tell Jackie I miss her more. Dumb. Tell Jackie. You tell Jackie I'm just waiting on my moment. You tell her. All right, back to the elevator music. Back to your normally scheduled programming, folks. What a banger, though, right? Come on, boys. Oh, man. Reminds me of, well, I better not say that. I can't say what it reminds me of, but if you know, you know, I guess. Just waiting on my moment. 2 Chainz. Ruben goes, Tyler, you make losing money fun. Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go. Oh, why is that the funniest comment I've heard? Yeah. I try. Anyway, boys, we got macro incoming here in a minute. We still did not retrace to where I would like it to retrace. So I am not in this. If we get the long here, then it's just GG's, dog. It's just GG's. Because you know what we are, chat? We like to have fun with our buns in the sun. And we like to have a good time here on this channel. However, we also like to showcase discipline. We like to showcase tenacity. We like to showcase maturity in these markets. Because without those things, boys, what do you have? I'll tell you what you have. You have a graveyard of blown accounts. And an updated Indeed job resume. That's what you have when you don't showcase these simple, not easy, but simple characteristics and traits. And you got to ask yourself, what kind of trader do you want to be? What kind of trader do you want to be? You spent all 2025 saying this was your year. This is my year. I'm finally going to become profitable. I'm going to follow all my rules. I'm only going to take the best setups. And here you are, December 2025. Well, I think we know. You've been a naughty little boy. And you think turning the calendar from December to January will magically fix your problems, don't you? Yep. About that. $2025 was the warm-up. 2026, I'm coming for it all. So I already know someone in the chat probably already posted something like that on their story. Listen. I can't. All right, we're in the macro, chat. We're in the macro. We are going to have, now watch this. Now. We are going to have an hourly FV, wait for it, FVG below this hourly candle. Well, potentially, unless this absolutely fucking nukes, which would be hilarious. But just saying. Unless yeah, let's see if we can miss another trade today. We're gonna try to set a record here. JK LOL. Yeah, there's a 5-minute FEG, 5-minute OB, rebalanced to 50%. Sweep out an internal low. Do I? Oh man, my question is like, if this reacts here, gosh, I kind of want to wait for this new hour to, if we're gonna leave this gap open. You know what I mean? Have you taken a trade? Yep. Longed here. Longed here. Got out here. Relonged here. Got out here. Just closed the short here. Now we're looking for some more longs. That's why you got to show up on time. Haters will say I'm lying, but how much you up? Let's just say it's starting to look a lot like Christmas. Yeah, one more good trade though, and I should be able to become APAC's biggest donor. And that is something we're celebrating. Guys, you don't think no. Yeah, no. Waiting on my moment. Just out of curiosity, though. That's too many fucking lines, chat. Well, we're 50% now of this overall 15-minute range. New hour. Oh, new hour opens up here in 3 minutes. Bro, we basically filled in this gap, or we're filling in. Might not leave a gap. So we got 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. Looks like we'll leave it on ES though. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I still like the long zone, and still looking for an internal to external rotation, preferably. The gap is looking tight. Yep, I guess so. Remember when you said 856? 856? Do I remember when you said, wait, what? Remember when I said, oh, you said sell at 856. I actually don't remember that, no. I just remember you saying your wife missed me or something. Sell 856? You said sell at 856? Dom, are you capping? Dom, are you capping? Sight ain't sar. Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Just waiting on my moment. Waiting on my moment. 2 chains. Waiting on my moment. New hour incoming in a minute, boys. Yeah, I mean, if we get something as early as this inversion, I'll be slapping this pickle. And it'll look something like this. Oops. Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Waiting on my moment. New hour just opened up. Let's see what we get. Waiting on my moment. Waiting on my moment. Are we going to inverse now? Hold the gap and make another low. Yeah, looks like we got a, little hourly gap on NQ, little hourly gap on ES. Still waiting. Gabriel, you didn't hit the like button? Gabriel, you got exactly 30 seconds to hit the like button or you're going in the VIP room. Hurry. Run, don't walk. Let me know when it's done. $460 watching, 117 likes. Oh, okay. I see how it is. That's kind of time we're on today. Yeah, I'll bring the charts back when we get the likes up. Otherwise, I'll just yap. I'll just yap and look at the charts myself. I'll even take my glasses off so you guys can't see the reflection of the charts in my glasses. Yep. Ooh, starting to reverse here. I'm starting to reverse here. Let's see what happens. I don't know. It's getting a little interesting. I don't know. Yeah, a little interesting here. Yeah. Might be entering a trade. Oh, wow. Trade incoming any second now. Can't wait to walk you guys through it verbally. 150 likes. Yeah, still not good enough. Yeah. Maybe 200 likes. We'll see if we want to share charts again. I'm tired of being used and abused. Where's the shelter for battered trading streamers? Where's the shelter for that? Anybody got that for me? Where's the shelter for battered trading streamers? Because I'm checking myself in as soon as the stream is over. Watching here, 26 seconds to lie. See if this move wants to get above this fair value gap. If so, probably look to play this inversion to the upside here. If not, staying kaput. Turtleneck season, boys. Listen, I don't know if this is unpopular opinion or not, but like these fucking sweatshirts that have this like neck roll or this neck thing, uncomfortable as shit. I'm not gonna lie. Every sweatshirt with like that neck, you know what I'm talking about? That neck loop. Who likes those? Who likes that? It's like I'm getting strangled. Yeah, listen, some of y'all women in the chat, you like getting choked. That shit, y'all fucked up for that, for real. Oh, boys, trade might be incoming here. 7 likes away from 200. Yeah, maybe 200. We'll get the chart share back going. Nemo says, "Don't judge." I would never. I would never. Instead of liking the stream, they're just hopping off the stream. Good. Get out of here. Who needs ya? Good. Get the hell out of here. Who needs ya? I'm sorry, baby. I didn't mean that. Sometimes I just get scared. Scared of being a nobody. Why don't you come back upstairs and let Happy give you a little kissy whisk smoochy woochy? Huh? It's okay, baby. Happy will make everything all right. I wanna kiss you all over and again. Dun, dun, dun. Till the night glows easy. Till the night glows easy. Carrie. To the night goes easy. Oh. Yeah, we are holding the gap after all, boys. Holding the gap after all. For now. Oh, gosh. What are you taking my grandma's stuff for? Well, you can't take her stuff. She's too old. Happy, your grandmother owes the IRS $260,000 in back taxes. So I'm sorry. Unfortunately, we do have to take the house. And if you can't get the money together in 30 days, we're going to have to sell it to somebody else. You hate me, don't you? No. I don't hate you. He hates me. Tyler, would you take the trade with a 5 minute above it? Would I take the trade with a 5 minute above it? Are you saying a 5 minute FEG? I mean, yeah, if we were to get some nice displacement through here, I would look at this. This is just me. I'm looking at this as, which is what I said. I said this whole time, I'm like, I'm waiting for rebalance to go long. And that's just what I'm going to stick with. If it doesn't present, then it doesn't present. But yeah, I'm looking at this as a rebalance to then go back to this external high. I do like that the SMT sponsored the move down here. So now I would look at this as a target. And then we obviously have buy side resting above here. We'll see if we get it. Maybe it doesn't happen. Maybe we retrace all the way back down into this 4-hour wick. You know, maybe we do, maybe we don't. But you know, I'm not gonna flip short. I don't want to do that. But yeah, I would take this setup here, and then I would personally just be looking to see this 5 minute fail. Maybe we get it, maybe we don't. We'll see. Listen, all I'm doing is just sticking to my plan, boys. I'm just sticking to my plan. Hate me for it all you want. Are you ICT son and Tanya is his daughter? Say, hey. Stepdaughter. Don't get weird. Do I have any siblings? I do, actually, yes. I'm a middle child. I have an older sister and a younger sister. My older sister is like 10 years, almost 11 years older than me. And my younger sister is like 7 years younger, right? Really spaced us out. I don't know why. She's not single. She did just get married this summer, actually. And is she stuck? Jeez. Online shopping, what? I have one red day in like 2 weeks, and Manzani Online Shopping says, just do the opposite of my guy Tyler. When he buys, you sell, and vice versa. You'll be rich. I think he meant to say JK, bro, but come on, man. It's still hurtful, even if you're joking. Every joke's got a little bit of seriousness in it. You know what I mean? It's like, you guys see those videos where it's like, chill, bro, it's just a prank. And the prank is like quite literally burning your house down with you inside of it. Calm down, bro. It's just a prank. murdering your entire family in front of you. Bro, it's just a prank. When are you getting married? That's a great question. Great question. You know, boys, we've just been waiting for the right one. Just waiting for the right one. They say it's the most important decision of your life. Well, second most important decision of your life. Because the most important decision of your life is giving your life to who? That's right. Jesus Christ. Second most important decision of your life, who you marry. It's just a prank. Oh, God. Ruben, that's not true. I would have seen all 66 other days if that were true. As the Lord said himself, hit maxes, evade taxes. What's funny is if he actually did say that, everybody knows our government would have taken that out of the Bible and then commenced the what's that company called? The Schofield Bible. The Rothschilds. Then they would have put that into production. For all we know, that's probably what happened. How cold is it up there? Great question. Today, looks like we got some snow. What? Incoming, apparently. But as of right now, it is 22 degrees. Feels like 15. Yesterday was like 12. And we got snow on snow on snow incoming, apparently. Oh, shit. Hey, guys, don't look now, but the market's going down. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Where the treetops glisten and NASDAQ listens to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Sing it with me. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be one. Fuck yeah. God, I love Christmas. Don't act like you didn't like it. Shut up. We all know you did. I don't care if you didn't give me consent. I kind of like when you put up a little bit of a struggle. Too far. All right, we'll keep watching here. I'm still sticking with the bullish bias, boys. I'm married to it, boys. See, that's the thing. If there's any eligible bachelorettes in the shar, any eligible bachelorettes in the shar, your boy's loyal. Your boy's loyal, and right now today I'm loyal to the longs. Loyal to these longs. You want to see loyalty, boys and girls? I'll fucking show you loyalty. Every minute of every day, there's someone saying IFVG in the chat. That's actually probably true. Wait. Nika changed her name, did she? No, I think it was Nika Rochelle. I don't think she changed it. Nika, did you change your name? Was it something I said? I don't know if you guys know this, but Nika is short for Tanika. Fun fact. Ooh, nice. Aw. Taken in says he thought it was Shanika. It could have been. No, could have been. I also could have been born. I also could have been born into the wrong body. I think I'm actually a woman trapped in a man's body. Okay, too far. Just kidding. I take that back. Too far. Don't even joke about that. God. Yeah, we're just yapping at this point, boys. We're just yapping. Well, boys, I have, I mean, if this just sells off, bro, I mean, shit. If we don't see some respect here soon, and this does just melt, it'll just be like the most successful just watch price print ever. No trades for me as of yet. We are flat, boys. We are flat. Take a look at gold. Nah. I think I would rather go outside. I think I would rather go outside shirtless after taking a shower and hug a light pole than to look at gold right now. Are we in discount yet? Yes. Guys, just think about how cool it would be if our patience is rewarded with a banger. Sometimes you got to look at the glass half full. Right? What if we haven't missed anything today and we're just waiting for the perfect setup? And what if? Some of you guys are so pessimistic, you know? Always assuming the worst. Tyler, how do you hold until your profit or avoid taking partials too early? As much as I'd love to give you graded, I mean, bro, I'm kind of a partialing. you can make the argument that sometimes I do partial too early, but what I would just say is like, if you're going to partial, like you still want to not fuck up your risk reward too much, right? So I'll like pretty much never partial unless we're over a 1R. But also something has to be setting up against me too. Or like ES takes out the target before NQ or something like that. I'm probably going to try this long here, chat. I am in inversion fair value gap. Go burr. Stop at the low. And I think we got 5 minute. We could maybe protect in this 5 minute unfilled fair value gap. And let her rip. But yeah, like I've been saying all day, I've been waiting for internal to external rotation. So by golly gosh, I'm gonna play it. What's going on here? I am in. Why is my copy trader not working? Do you guys see this? Oh boy. Please hold. I am in this trade though, by the way. I'm in on. Why is. Hang on. I just got to make sure. Yeah, it's the right leader account. It is the right leader account. Is this the first time Trade Sinker is going to fuck me up? Is this what we're doing right now? Is this what's happening? Is this what we're doing right now? Hang on, boys. Oh, no. I got the right leader account selected. Everything's connected. And as of right now, it's not saying any of the accounts are fluctuating at all. What do you guys think? Is it working or no? What the fuck? Well, I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna. Here's what I don't want to do. I don't want to like disconnect my connections and then reconnect them, because then it definitely like. I don't want to like have it cut the trades. You know what I'm saying? By like disconnecting. So I think I'm just gonna roll with it. Hopefully it's working. We'll find out. After trade's over, I'll reconnect and do whatever I gotta do, I guess. But we'll see. But yes, I am in this long for sure on one account. Thought for sure I was in on 5, but the copy trader is maybe not working. We'll see. I'm in. I'm gonna go break even once we hit this 5 minute fair value gap, which is this red line here. And try to take it up to external highs. Yeah, I don't know. We'll try here. See. I mean, I refreshed it, but fuck. Still nothing. We'll worry about it later. Legal to charge for real-time data? Oh, fuck. Well, that doesn't look hot. About to be a fat L. Jordan, get out of here with that negativity. It ain't over till it's over. But you might be right. Definitely not ideal what you'd like to see here. Bashi, that's a very gay thing to say. No, Debbie, I still kind of want the copy trader hooked up because I just want everything to be the same balance. But yeah, it doesn't look good, boys. 41-point stop loss here, 7 micros. Unless we get a magical bounce here off this 618, but IFEG not holding at all. Yeah, stopped out there. Stopped out, what is it, 11:30 right now? So new 30-minute just opened up. Damn. Back-to-back L. So we did well Monday, Tuesday, no trade Wednesday, L yesterday, L today. Back down we go. Back down we go, which only, like, let's look at this weekly candle right now. Let's take all drawings off. Turn that off, turn that off. This is our weekly candle. Oh my gosh. Yeah. The guy she tells you not to worry about. And that's you. Here's the day. Oh my God. Here's the daily. Just look at like these last 3 days. So nice win for us Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday didn't take anything. Yesterday, 2 small losses. Today, 1 loss. And like, look at these daily candles. Yeah. Beep boop bop. Oh well. Well, minus like $500 on that. I don't know. This copy trader is. It still says zeros on everything for me. I'm going to hit flat and all just for good measure, I guess. A little bit dicey. Hopefully everything's... Okay. I hit flat and all, and it turns out it hadn't even closed me out of the trade. And it did not copy. So I'm minus 685 on one account. And it did not copy. First time having a problem with TradeSyncer, boys and girls, in 3 weeks. So we'll see. I'm going to have to, I'm assuming, disconnect my connection and then just reconnect it. But I'm going to do that right now. Minus 685. Look at that as a blessing if you want, I guess. You know, it's not a bigger P&L loss, but it's kind of annoying because now my balances are not symmetrical. But yeah, minus 685 on one account, boys. Here's the loss right there. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know why that didn't work. Enable. All right, well, I disconnected and reconnected. Set the leader account here. So it should be fine moving forward, fingers crossed. But yeah, man, so I guess between, well, so yesterday I lost like 6 something per account. It was like 650. Today ended up being just a 680 loss on one account. So yeah, that's it. And now it's like, I mean, it's hard to think that this range failing doesn't mean we don't go lower, I would think, right? Gosh. But yeah, I don't know. In all reality, it just didn't really work out. Just didn't work out for your boy. 2 back-to-back red days. That sucks. 2 back-to-back red days. Green Monday, Tuesday. No trade Wednesday. Red yesterday and today. Ah, son of a gun. Right on the trade, just slightly early. Were you saying next macro or something? Let me screenshot this quick. Let me grab the old screenshot. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. All right. Looking forward to slapping that on Twitter. I'm going to watch for like 5 more minutes. Just kind of want to see what we do in this range. Probably not going to take anything else, though, if I'm being honest. At least not right now. Maybe later. We'll see what we want to do. But, I mean, if we just flush this range back down and take out these lows, Call me fucking crazy, bro, but I still was only looking to frame higher here. Maybe too bullish for my own good. I don't know. What do we thinking, boys? Nemo, I am... Is it Nemo or Neem? Yeah, I guess that got to be Nemo Rose, right? I'm from Wisconsin. You went too early? That's what they always say, Lone Wolf. They always say that. You went too early. It's just like, well, hey. So what are we eating? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Right. Used to live in Wisconsin. Where'd you go? The blue lines are just 50% and 618 on the fib. So I have it fibbed up from this. Oh, you can't see it. I fibbed up from this swing low to this swing high and wanted to see price rebalance. And then, like I said, internal to external. You know, I was kind of viewing this this hourly candle in that way, not really viewing it as like a manipulation where we could potentially form an hourly order block to the downside. So perhaps this is what ends up happening. But yeah. That will be out in the future, though, if that's going to take place. Next time you are... Wait, what? Next time you are OO, try putting a belt around your neck. Next time you are OO? What's OO? Next time you are over. Nika saying turtle soup longs. I'm kind of curious to see if my trade sinker is going to work if I were to put a trade on. I mean, I kind of thought for sure we'd be able to get this 5-minute FVG delivery to go break even. And we couldn't even get such a thing. Bummer. Bummer, bummer. I was wrong. Market stopped me out. What's a guy do? But anyway, yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to hop off for now, chat. Wait for some higher time frame closures. I very well might still play longs, to be honest. I was trying to stall here a little bit because I'm like, gosh, if it were to like set up as soon as I end stream, that'd be a little unfortunate, but I don't think that'll happen. I'm definitely going to keep my eye on this, though. I will keep you guys updated in the Discord and on X. As of right now, I'm down 685 on just one account. My copy trader did not work. Whether that's a blessing or not, I'll leave that up to you. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on X or Discord. So hop in there if you're not already. It's in the description of the stream. Otherwise, boys, just a real quick look ahead to next week. No news Monday. We got ADP. This is tentative, but we got Jolt's job openings 10 a.m. on Tuesday next week. And the big thing is obviously this Fed funds rate, FOMC, on Wednesday, which, again, I think everybody's kind of anticipating rate cuts, which, you know, we'll see what happens, right? Maybe they keep rates unchanged. And, I mean, you can see they finally have put the forecast on here. They're also, it's being forecasted a 25 basis point cut again. And I don't know how you guys feel, but I mean, the last time, I mean, if you guys remember before the last rate cut, it was very highly anticipated and we saw price rally well in advance of the rate cut decision. And this time around, we're not rallying quite as much. We did move higher this week, but kind of a tighter weekly range, to be honest. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But I would say next week for sure. And if you're gonna have, set your expectations for anything, beginning of the week is probably going to be a little bit more problematic. Might, more low hanging fruit targets, lower risk reward trades, because we're going to be building up anticipation for this rate decision. Obviously, Wednesday I won't be live in the morning. We'll go live in the afternoon after the rate decision. And then, Thursday, Friday should be, I would think Thursday, Friday would be good after this. I think the later part of the week will be a lot better than the beginning part of the week next week. I'm stalling, boys. I am stalling. I'm like, just in case. Just fucking in case. What would this even look like? Do we stall until lunch macro or no? Listen, my dog's feeling neglected. He's like, dude, when are you gonna come take me on your post-market walk? No treats again for him today. Rough. Well, maybe not yet. Long 677 from the lows. You and Nika both might be long. Nika, are you in longs right now? I know she said turtle soup long in the chat, but I don't know if that meant that she was in longs or not. Yeah, I'm just waiting personally a little bit. I'm going to turn the executions off for now. We'll see. Moment of truth. Last 15-minute candle of the hour. Macro beginning shortly. Yeah. Got to break through this 5-minute OB, and then I'll probably wait for this inversion for entry here. The only other thing that maybe I would consider would be like, I just don't know about that. 5-minute CISD, just using this as a bullish breaker, perhaps. Oh. Macros are not real. That guy back there is not real. Okay, Tychos. What do you want me to do? Try to convince you? Oh, so I convinced you. Oh yeah. That wasn't very hard. But yeah, let's see, guys. A couple minutes away from the macro beginning here. Yeah, so the way I'm kind of looking at this is if we just start going to new lows here, I'll just hop off and call it. If we can get this to play, though, I would be willing to give this one more try. Short to the low. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not feeling like flipping my bias today. I'd rather miss out on the move lower, waiting for a long, which, you know, maybe I'll miss out, but it is what it is. Walk away. Are you just wanting me to end stream? I'm still gonna be keeping my eye on this and potentially taking it whether I'm on stream or not. I can end the stream though if you guys want. I can end the stream. I can promise you whether I'm live or not though, I'm probably gonna take something like this if it happens. It's Friday? Oh wait, I thought it was Monday. Is it really? Since when? Nobody's gonna tell me? Whole time I thought it was Monday. The more you know. Give it till noon and see what happens. I mean, it's generally what I do. I don't generally trade afternoons on Fridays. I mean, you guys know as well as like Fridays are usually kind of hit or miss anyway. I would say, yeah, Fridays a lot of times if you've done well throughout the week, like through Thursday, it's really not much reason to trade Friday, even if there's news. Maybe if it's like NFP or something, but yeah, Friday's hit or miss. And I wouldn't even like blame price action today at all. Like it just kind of set up in a window of time that I'm not usually looking to trade. So that's really kind of all it came down to there. But yeah, I can't complain about the action itself. Like the action was, I would say, fine. Yeah, we are on the macro now. What kind of fucking close is that? By your guys' definition, is that an inversion? I'm going to say no. No, it's not. As it rips perfectly, probably. All right, I'm going to give this a try on that close there. Stop's going to be about 50 points. Same break even as before, this 5-minute unfilled. And then, yeah, try to take this up. Copy trader's working now. It's working. All right. Cocky trader's working. Ain't it kind of crazy that after all this 1 hour bullish fair value gap may still just hold? I just find that fun, you know? All right, but yeah, I'm honestly expecting to be pretty patient. Like, I don't know, usually this time of day is not super clean and super fast for the most part. And this is a pretty big range, I guess. Like, we're going for like 130 points all the way to the external high. So this may take a minute. You got to think 10:17 to... Yeah, I mean, it was over an hour for the sell-off. Straight to the highs? Oh, that would be sick though. I'm not trying to block the blessings of a God candle. You know what I mean? I would totally accept a God candle straight to the heavens, you know? I would absolutely be open to such things. But it does look fairly clean. Now we wait. Now we wait. Top of the hour in a few minutes. Char. Amen, chat. Amen. Where is 50% is right there. Sheesh. Yeah, there's 50% of this overall range. Oh, come on, bro. Nope. I'm break even. And I'm out break even. So, damn, that sucks. There's the 5-minute gap. I mean, if this just holds and goes, bro, this is just... no balls for me, but... we hit 50% and we get a Drake candle down. Honestly, though, I probably need to get away from the chart, though, because the reality is, if this starts pumping back up, I'm going to want to tilt. So I'm going to get away from the screen here quick before I do that. Peace and love, boys. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Don't be too big of a degenerate. Total P&L is down 611, thanks to my copy trader not working. Gave it my attempts. And, yeah, I think I'm going to be likely done for the day, to be honest. Hang on, we'll see. See if it just dies here quick. Literally perfect 50% tap. Five-minute OB, 5-minute bullish gap. We'll see what ends up playing out. But all right, I'm gonna hop off, boys. Enjoy your weekend. I'll be back live tomorrow, or not tomorrow. I'll be back live next week. Final reminder: the select plan at promotional pricing ends tonight at midnight. So if you're gonna try to get the select plan, just get it today. Don't wait till next weekend or next week or over the weekend. You're gonna pay more money unnecessarily. So rip the Band-Aid off. Save the money. Yeah, don't be too big of a degenerate today, boys. It's Friday. Very well, maybe the moves are already done, right? Maybe this was it. This manipulation into these highs, and now we might just be range bound the rest of the day. So, I don't know. I'm not going to try to push my luck too much, though. be on this, I don't think. All right. Enjoy your Friday, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you boys and girls back here next week. Peace and love, chat.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler Trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Charts on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Now time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.